Ni Krista, thank you for the lipid that you gave us yesterday. Lipat na kayo sa live ni Fiang because I'm going to Loba.
Hala, hindi ako nakapagdalang tumbler.
Oh my God.
I need tumbler.
I need to update. Yung nagbigay ng Aqua Plus yesterday, thank you.
It's
Vote
color
for
violet.
Yanni and Jay now. It was written right there that it's couple. Thank you for that. So we're sorry because we forgot it.
Hi, Denden.
Bye. IG siya live, guys. Bye.
Yan nyo lang yung si Kiwi. Good man galing. Yan nyo lang siya, guys. Baliw lang. Yan nyo lang yun. Huwag nyo na pinapansin yung mga ganun. Aga mo, girl. Siyempre, maaga ang call time. Maaga din dapat.
Late na ba tayo?
Hindi pa naman po.
Sakto lang po. May oras pa po.
Ano po yung lagi mo nilalagay sa face mo? Pampadry ng breakouts. Dahil wala tayong time mag-paderma. So, you know, kailangan i-dry. Most kami papasiklap lang. Ate, then, ano nga, hingin mo nga ako kay sir ng whitening cream. That's it. Whitening cream lang. O kaya yung basta yung set nun, yung color blue. Hingin mo ako ng dami. Thanks. Okay na yung eyes mo. Okay na nga, guys. Next time lang, guys. Pag okay naman yung mata ko. Hindi pa naman siya papalitan. Salamat. Hi, Reyna.
Bro, I forgotten.
Thoughts about Kiwi. Hindi ko naman kilala si Kiwi, guys. Tsaka hindi lumalabas sa akin yung mga niya. Content niya. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi lumalabas sa akin. So, anong magiging thoughts ko? Okay lang yan. Kung ano naman yung lalabas niya. Good for her. Yun lang. Hindi naman lumalabas sa akin. Do you like caramel macchiato for today? Before, that's my favorite. But now, my favorite is white mocha. White mocha frap. Less sweet. Siguro yung sweetness 50% lang. That's my new favorite. Hi, Bea! Feeling close. Feeling close. Hi, Bea. Feeling close.
Bea what?
Bea Boris.
Oh my God!
Look.
Sa kanya kasi ako
Sa kanya ka natutugan yung
yeah, like how you get petty. Ang petty mo. Like, I love Bea this so much. Because we're twinning.
Oh my God, napakaliwa pala to.
Yeah, like, oh my God. Oh nga, no?
Wasting time.
So much. I think we got lost at least 10 minutes for that. Am I right, Kuya?
Aga.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
di
much.
lunch.
It's
May
alright.
schedule tayo for today ng
still
7 a.m.
on time.
So,
Susunod din na tayo dadaan.
I have...
No, it has the same way lang, Kuya. Pero kasi...
Morning!
Pero kasi ganun siya pag morning yung U-turn slot na yun.
Gara, bare face.
Talaga nakakaubos ng oras pag ganitong oras. Pag super morning. But when it comes to already...
Gusto yung pasensya.
But when it comes to already 9 a.m. to onwards, that way is not like that.
Wala si JM. Secret.
Maganda ba yun, bro? That's relaxing.
Ate, isa pa.
Like you're not the one who's jamming.
Yung braces mo, papasok ko sana lang alam mo yan.
Stop it, bro.
Yes, I did. I ate na. Pagkaan.
I think I should buy you food before you go in. What do you want?
Amerikana pala kasama mo. Kaya nga eh. Kakirita siya mag-English.
What do you want, bro? Nawala kasi ako kay Jared. When it comes to Jared, bro, what we met?
Oh yeah, literally.
Diba, like,
talaga.
literally, bro.
When I was in BNK before,
Yeah.
pag nag-English lang, pag siya yung kausap
Like, diba, nakakahawa?
Ah.
And also, his accent is so very pure, bro.
Brr. FFR. Ang arte ni Lloydie kaya nga eh. Puro kayo Jaren dalawa. Ano gusto mo?
Jaren is my little Jaren.
Alam nyo, huwag nyo kaming ini-issue ni Jaren. Jaren and I swear to God, we're very close friends now. Kaya don't make any issue about us. You know what I mean? Kasi kayo lang yung gumagawa ng kadiluluhan nyo. Jaren and I, we're homies. For real.
And also me.
Yeah.
Because you know what?
Alo, ang asim ko daw. Hala, sorry po.
Perfect ka?
Perfect ka po.
Sino yan?
Siguro pagising nyo naka-pink dress na kagad siya.
Tama. Baka naka-blue dress ka na agad. Baka maibig ka. Sinuot nga hindi siya naibig. Pag ikaw nagsuot, baka evicted ka agad. Paano dyan? Agang-aga mo.
Siguro pagising niya, fresh na fresh siya.
Tama.
Sorry, ito lang ako pagising ko eh.
May habang siya. Sino yan? Anong username yan? Lock.
Papabila kita.
Kago ka.
Uy,
Ay. Sorry, it's on me. Alam mo, di ba nagawa ko ng second ako sa TikTok? Suspended din sa live. Kamumura.
deserve mo yan.
Kasi, nainis kasi ako last time nag-call out ako sa TikTok ko nun. About the issue of me, Jaren, and that fucking kiwi.
Uy, yung bunganga mo.
That kiwi, bruh, sorry. And I speak a lot of bad words because of that. I got suspended again.
Deserve.
That's why I can't log on TikTok on my main account and also my
Nunod kapatid mo. Ate, may pasok ka pa.
Sino yun?
Si Aiden. Ano, di ba pasok? Alam niyo kung ano yung totoong may something kung sino. Ako at si Lloyd.
Yeah. Sorry, pre. Ew, bro.
Nag-eyebags na ako. Ano? Wait ko, ano? Tama na.
Okay. Dude.
Some good luck sa exam mo. Alam mo, dito ko talaga nagdadan kasi ayoko sa TikTok. Kasi sa TikTok kasi, dami nagsisend ng gift.
Kuya, ilalim po tayo dyan.
May lalim tayo.
Yes,
Dami
po.
nagsisend ng gift, nagsasend ng pera sa akin. So why not dito na lang sa IG para
Pag po, dito na yan po may
kayo.
Quezon Avenue. Always
Sige
ilalim
lang.
na po.
Kasi nag-live ako para entertain kayo.
Then
hindi para
may U-turn slot po
bigay ng
dyan.
pera sa akin.
We're going there po.
Ate, ang aga pa. Can you please just shut up for a moment?
Just guiding kuya. About our way. There po,
It's no
yung
big deal.
U-turn slot po. Here po.
One.
Yes po.
Ah, sige na.
Sorry.
ka punta? I'm going to BBB today. 'Cause
There's
I
about
have-
two choice po up the way. You can go there straight.
Off the way! Wala, natawa lang.
But I think, kuya, mag-left ka na lang dyan para traffic kasi dito eh. Dun po sa mabilis na way tayo.
Ito naman si Wiz, tinuturo naman tayo sa less traffic.
Yes.
I do have Zamboanga tomorrow daw. Ang Zamboanga bus, malayo.
Yeah, I think you have to go on airplane too.
Oh, really ba?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because there's a weapon yesterday that...
Are you from BGC ba? No, I'm just from Mandaluyong. Pero it's near BGC. I feel like it's just 10 minutes away from BGC.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually I'm very near lang sa BGC pero I'm not from BGC. I'm just from Mandaluyong. Outside
Then
Mandaluyong.
you have to ride there po.
Kasi English ng English. Alam mo,
Siyempre English siya rin driver natin.
oh, di ba? Hindi naman, ikaw lang yung maorte.
I wanted because your dad...
Kukumbine kita. Kuya, hindi ka naiirita sa kanya. Baka maging pet peeve mo siya, kuya.
Pwede po pa-picture tayo mamaya.
Sige po.
Kahit dito na sa...
Si Lloyd taga BGC na. Actually, yeah. And you know what?
Kasi yung kambal ko halos kaedad
Do you
ko
have
lang
kambal po?
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, it's so cute about it.
You know what? Every
They don't
time.
believe na idadrive ko kayo.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila where I work.
Oh,
Kasi it's confidential.
Yeah.
Ano naman yung father.
Yeah.
yes po. You know what, guys? Si Lloyd, every time, if I said na every time,
Pasok tayo.
no po, diretso lang po.
No po, just straight ahead po.
Every time na we're at ABS,
Yata itong Sopeto, mayroon tayong parking space na naman.
Diyos ko po.
I mean, sige po,
Ano
diretso
sasabi
lang
sa'yo?
po.
English
I mean,
ng
if you have
English
to go there
every
naman
day.
po, tapos if you want to have a parking lot, they have a free parking po for everyone. Then you have to ride po there.
Rapong tunay. Apakarte ni Lloyd, di ka alam mo jowa niya.
Ano, magpapabili ka ng pagkain mo?
Hindi po, kumain na po ako.
Really?
Yeah, I do.
You want coffee? I know you want
I want
coffee.
coffee.
Yeah, I can buy you coffee. Go. Just straight ahead po. Then go stop to PBB house po. I'll say a word there.
Sarap makain ni Lloyd, no?
Just I think you
Lloyd!
have to stay here in this car. Sige po, straight ahead pa po.
Sabi ni wait lang Lloyd, pwede?
Then, kuya, you see that guy who's wearing a white shirt? You have to stop there. Yeah.
Left side parking?
Yeah.
Yes po. I'm here na sa aking dating bahay.
But I think you're going down right now. Or you want me to buy you coffee first
Yeah.
before you go there?
No.
What do you want? Go there first?
First, yeah.
Picture lang.
Yes po, sure po.
Yan ang kambal ko.
Oh.
Babae?
Lahat
I
Anak!
thought you have a brother kambal.
No.
Sorry, I thought you have that one. Sorry.
Sama ka na.
Oo nga, sama ka na.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm shy. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ako ba na kayo? Di pa.
No.
It
buy
was
me
the one,
coffee.
Like, Kuya, you should wait me here po.
Okay.
Dyan lang po yung Starbucks. I can buy her coffee lang po first. What do you want me to do? Bring all your things na?
Alam.
Alam ko sila po.
Okay lang po, kuya.
How about you, Kuya? Want coffee?
Coffee or me? Coffee or Coffee or me?
Kuya, wait for me Don't look at me. Ayaw ba of me?
Tada! Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning, Fiangge.
Good morning!
Parang hindi pa pagod ah.
Ito-tour ko kayo. I miss this house.
Namiss mo ba? Namiss mo?
Hello, mami, namiss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
No, you're so early.
Why?
You're the first one.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody.
Stop that. You know that it's confidential.
Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Kuya, Kuya, pakibalik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please, ibalik niyo na ako. Please lang.
Where are you
Pagod na ako.
heading?
Ha?
Where are you heading? Where are you going to stay?
Dito na. Oh! You lock.
No, no. I just closed it.
Oh, diba? Bek.
I don't know how. I just closed it.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo to.
Wala pa sila? Wala pa sila, May?
Palibasa, malapit na nga kami ito eh.
Malayo-layo pa ako, Ma.
Ay, hindi ka ba naka-check in sa hotel?
Hindi.
From Mandaluyong pa.
Mandaluyong pa ako, May.
Hello po, good morning.
Good morning. Bawal daw mag-live. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't know.
Sorry.
Haha.
Girl, what do you want?
I want white mocha nga. I white mocha frap. Less sweet. Mga 50% lang sweetness.
Yan, nanay. We don't have any cash.
Oh, damn.
Anything.
Guys, out na ako. Kakausapin ko pa si Kuya at si Madam. Gusto ko ibalikan niya ako dito sa bahay. Kasi pagod na ako sa inyo lahat. Joke. I'm out na.